Imagine a computer so small it can sit in the palm of your hand, yet so devastatingly powerful that it makes massive, power-hungry desktop towers look completely obsolete. For years, the tech industry convinced us that if you wanted elite, top-tier performance, you had to accept a giant, noisy box sitting under your desk, spinning massive fans and skyrocketing your electricity bill. But Apple just shattered that entire reality. With the introduction of the Mac Mini M5, they didn't just update a product line. They unleashed a silent assassin into the desktop market. Behind closed doors in Cupertino, Apple's engineers have pulled off a feat of silicon wizardry that is currently sending shockwaves through the entire industry, causing absolute panic among traditional PC manufacturers. Today, we are stripping away the marketing fluff to reveal the terrifying truth about what this tiny beast can actually do, and why your current setup is suddenly facing an existential crisis. Let's be completely honest for a second. Most desktop upgrades are deeply uninspiring. You spend hard-earned money just to get a machine that looks identical, runs slightly cooler, and shaves a few seconds off a render test. But the moment you unbox the Mac Mini M5, you realize Apple has completely rewritten the playbook. They have radically redesigned the footprint, shrinking the aluminum chassis down to an unbelievable size, while completely restructuring how air and power move through the system. It looks less like a computer and more like a futuristic piece of architectural art. But the true jaw-dropping magic isn't how it looks on your desk. It's the raw, unadulterated power humming beneath that sleek metal exterior. We need to look directly at the brain of this machine. The M5 architecture isn't just another incremental spec bump. It is a foundational shift in how computing happens. Built on a microscopic, next-generation manufacturing process, the density of transistors packed into this chip is genuinely hard to comprehend. What this means in the real world is simple. Tasks that used to scream for a dedicated media studio, like manipulating massive 3D environments, editing multiple streams of uncompressed 8K raw footage, or compiling millions of lines of code, happen instantly. There is zero hesitation, no stuttering, no beach balls. The system responds to your inputs before your brain even fully registers the action. It forces you to wonder, how did they manage to trap this much raw horsepower inside something that weighs less than a couple of books? To understand the sheer gravity of what Apple has accomplished here, we have to look at the unified memory architecture. Traditional computers waste precious time moving data back and forth between a separate central processor and a graphics card. The M5 obliterates that bottleneck completely. By placing high-bandwidth memory directly onto the silicon fabric, the CPU and GPU share the exact same pool of data instantly. When you launch a heavy application, it doesn't load. It just appears. Shifting between incredibly demanding tasks feels completely fluid, as if the computer is effortlessly reading your mind. But here is the secret that Apple didn't focus on enough in their announcements. Something that completely changes the game for creators, developers, and power users alike. They have fundamentally re-engineered the thermal system. Even under maximum, brutal workloads that would cause other computers to sound like a jet engine taking off, the Mac Mini M5 remains dead silent. It handles the